Pat, see you. I see you doing this dish. That would be just simple. Very, very easy. With a twist, Thai street food in your home. Hi guys, welcome back to Fearless Cooking. Today our video is going to be about a Thai dish, Pat See Ew, which means noodles with soy sauce, basically. It's a very simple dish, really fast done. If you ever wanted to do a stir fry with a little different twist, this is the one. It's very simple. We're taking some pork. You can of course take chicken, beef, anything you like, prawns. We have some broccoli here, some green onions, garlic, white pepper, and some eggs. And the key to this whole entire dish is really the sauce. So we also have here fresh noodles. These are rice noodles. You get them in the supermarket or Asian stores. They're in the fridge and they're fresh, so they're delicious and it's just what you want. But for the sauce itself, we're using some dark soy sauce. And dark soy sauce is a very important part. Now this is not as salty as regular soy sauce, and it's also made with mushrooms. So it gives the whole stir fry a complete different taste, and also the darkness that we want. Now I have also here hoisin sauce. You can also use oyster sauce, and I'll put a little bit of that in there. And the key to entire thing, of course, is fish sauce. Fish sauce is a very important part in Thai cuisine, and we don't need any salt for this dish at all, or sugar, because we have it in the hoisin sauce. So we're just gonna mix this. And let's get cooking. So a very important part when you do your stir fries with any cooking, not only stir fry, you need to have everything ready. Make sure your mise en place, what we call it, mise en place, meaning everything is ready to cook. So you've done all your prep. So I wanna make sure the pan is very hot, just about ready. Use a wok for this. Rather important. I really want this wok very hot. And we're gonna put some plant-based oil in here. I'll make sure it's hot. And then we're going in with our pork. Give it some. Use your wok on the sides as well. When we're going to start stir frying, this is important that you use the entire wok. And not only the bottom part, that's what I mean. Okay, we're gonna get the go brown, both sides. So just added the garlic in it as well. Our meat is cooking nicely here. Now what we're going to do, we're gonna put some eggs in here. What that does, it's gonna coat my noodles really well. I will add my noodles in a second. I also will add some pepper, white pepper, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to throw in my noodles. Enough for 2 people. And now I'm coating. This whole thing is getting coated. See, then there's no sticking anywhere. Ah, it's beautiful. And now we're going to add our sauce. I'm going to just give this a little stir. Ah, it's like molasses coming down. And we're going to add our broccoli. And we're just about ready. There we go. We're going to put some more chives on top. And that's it. Pat, see you. I see you. Beautiful dish. Really fast. Thai street food at its best. It's just A very, very simple dish for you to do, and do a stir fry with a twist. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or comment. That would really help me. And I'll see you next time for my next video, next week. In the meantime, be fearless in your kitchen.